Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, I'm going to explaining two feature, color match and color correction of Filmora 10. Filmora 10 have those new best feature. Just with one click, you can match your color with all videos. First, let's bring one video you want to work on. I bring in my media library, then I have a drop in my timeline. This video purposely I have a changed color. So now I will bring another video from my media library, will be totally different color. So now I have a video 1 little reddish color and video 2 have all natural color. I haven't changed anything. Now we will be working with both. So first you have to decide which video you want to match color with other portion. So in my case, I'm going to match video number 2 color with video number 1. So I will right click on my video number 2. If you want to match with 1, then you have to right click on video number 1. So I'm going to match this video color with video number 1. I right click, then I will say color match. I have this window. Now from the cursor I will drag and see where I want to match color. So I'm going to make this color to my video 2. Just simply click on match, and in a second you will see big difference. Both video have a matched color already. Press OK, and now you can just play or just drag this playhead and see what is difference it made on your video. Now we have just with one click both colors are matched. Now I will go other way. I'm going to match my video number 1 color with video number 2. So video 1 have a little reddish, video number 2 all natural. So this time we are going to right click on video number 1. So as soon as you right click, just say color match. From here we are going to move this just the cursor, and now we will just click on match, and both video will be matched color. So now video number 1 already matched with the video number 2. So as you can see, both video have a matched color. So just with one click you can match color your multiple videos in Filmora 10. Now I'm going to explain you the second feature, color correction. You can right click on your video, just click on color correction. From here you will see already we have a preset. We have a lot of preset. You don't need to do just little by little. You can just have a one click and your will be color correction already applied on your video. That's all you have to do with just one click. If you want to do a little bit more fine tune, just simply click on adjust and you will see another window. From here you can make whatever changes you want. You want to correct your color, you simply okay, press on OK, and your color correction will be applied. But if you don't happy, you want to just get back, reset all, and your color correction made will be resetted to original one. So that's the way you can do color match and color correction on Filmora 10. Hope you like my video. If you like, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.